Hi friends, in this session we are going to learn how to multiply any 2 and 3 digit numbers easily in single step. Okay, so let's take some of the examples to get a clear idea about this topic. So that means, so let's take example like this 84 and 62. So we just taken a 2 digit numbers, two digit numbers, and we are multiplying with each other. So completely our traditional method, friends. Just apply this method and it is very easy to get desired result. Okay, so just multiply first multiply unit digit numbers in both the numbers, that is 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 would be 8. Okay, then cross multiply and add the sum, that means 8 into 2 plus 6 into 4. Okay, so that means 8 into 2 would be 16 and 24. So we get 40. So we get 40. So at a time we are supposed to write only single digit, so we are writing 0 here, and we are writing 4 aside. So these 4 carry to the next number. So the next step would be multiply both the numbers in the tens digit, that means 8 into 6. So 8 into 6 would be 48. So 48 plus this 4 would be 52. So this is the required result. So see friends how easy it was. So we just multiplied 84 into 62. It is 5208. So let's take one more example to get a clear view about this topic. So let's take an example like this 36 into 29. So we just want to multiply both the numbers. So apply the same procedure what we done previously. So first 6 nines would be 54. So we are writing 5 aside. So just multiply, cross multiply and add the sum. So 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3 nines, 27. 29, 27 plus, so 27 plus 12 would be 39. Okay, so 39 plus 5 would be 44. So we are writing now 4 aside. And okay, so next the last step would be multiply both the numbers that are in tens place, that is 3 into 2 would be 6. So 6 plus 4 would be 10. So this is our answer, 1044. So 36 into 29 would be 1044. We done easily in one step. So we done 2 digit multiplication, friends. So just take a 3 digit number and just multiply that number into another 3 digit number. Okay, so now we are doing 3 digit multiplication. So let's take an example like this 524, and just multiply these 524 to 432. Okay, if you want to multiply these two numbers, we have to follow certain rules. So in this we have 5 steps, that is first we have to do this 4 into 2, and next the second step would be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Okay, and the third step would be, it's the middle part, so 4 into 4 plus 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3, and this is the middle part, third step. And the fourth step would be 2 into 4 plus 5 into 3, and this is the fourth and last step would be, okay, 5 into 4. So just apply the same steps to this, and it is very easy to get the desired result in one step. Okay, 4 into 2 would be 8. Okay, next 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 12, 4 3 is 12. So 4 plus 12 would be 16. So at a time we are supposed to write one digit, and we are carrying 1 to next number. Okay, and the next step would be, it is the middle part, 4 4 16. 16 plus 10, 16 plus 5 to 10. So 16 plus 10, 26. 26 plus 6, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So we are writing 3 here, and 3 is carry out to the next number. And the fourth step would be 2 into 4 plus 5 into 15. So 15 plus 8 would be 23. 23 plus 3 would be 6, 26. Okay, so last step would be 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 2 would be 22. So this is the desired output. Okay, so what we done now, we multiplied a 3-digit number into another 3-digit number. So hope you understand the previous example, friends. So let's take one more example to get a clear view about this topic, friends. So let's take an example now, 328, and just multiply these 328 to 226. So apply the same procedure what we applied to the previous numbers, friends. So just multiply like that. So first we have to do 8 into 6. 8 into 6 would be 48, and 4 carry out to the next number. So next step would be 2 into 6 plus 8 into 2. So 12 plus 16 would be 28. So 28 plus 4. 28 plus 4 would be 32, and 2 here, 3 carry out to the next number. Now we are doing the middle stuff, friends. That is 8 into 2 plus 3 into 6 plus 2 into 2. So 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 18. 16 plus 18 would be 34. 34 plus 4, 38. 38 plus 3, these 3. So 38 plus 3 would be 41. Okay, 41. So 1 we are writing 1 here, and 4 carry out to the next number. The next step would be fourth step, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2. So 4 plus 6 would be 10. So 10 plus 4 would be 14. So we are writing 4 here, and 1 carry out to the next number. So the last step would be 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So that is. So this is our the final output. So just imagine, friends, if you want to do the traditional method, it will ends up you the lots of time in the examination. So and it will take so much time to solve this, and we are done here in single step. Let's take one more example, friends. That is, if you want to multiply a 3-digit number into another 2-digit number, so how it works? So apply the same procedure, friends. So let's take an example to get a clear idea about that one. So if you want to, so if you have 632, a 3-digit number, friends. So if these 3-digit number want to multiply with the 2-digit number, let's take 33. So if you want to multiply a 3-digit number into 2-digit number, that means like this. So just add 0 here. So adding 0 before 33, the value of 33 may not change, right? So just apply the same procedure what we done previously, friends. So the required result will get easily. So just multiply fastly. So 3 into 2, 6. 3 3s are 9, and 2 3s. So 9 plus 6 would be 15. So we are writing 5 here, and 1 carry out to the next number. Okay. Next, the middle step next. So 2 into 0, directly 0. So 0 plus 6 into 3, 18. 0 plus 18 would be 18. So 18 plus 9. 18 plus 9 would be 27. 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1 would be 28. So we are writing 8 here, and 2 carry out to the next number. Okay. The fourth step would be 3 into 0. 0. So 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So we are writing 2, 0 here, and 2 again carry out to the next number. So 6 zeros are 0. And next we have to add this 2. So that's it, friends. So multiplication of any 3-digit number into another 2-digit number would be also easy if you follow this method and implement on paper. That's it, friends. We learn how to multiply any 2 and 3-digit numbers easily in single step, friends. So hope you like this wonderful session. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.